Cool. We have one viewer. Usa Bhargav. Hey Prathamesh. Rangnath. Okay, I don't believe I know you in person. But wave to everybody. Wave. Okay, the waves seem to be stuck. Long time no see, it seems. Ashwin has joined, so wave to him. Not Akshay has joined, so wave to him. Why isn't the earlier waves going out? Wave. Okay, what's the time? Is it 6:30? Oh yes, it is 6:30. Ranjit has joined, so wave to you as well. One more person joins and then we'll start. One more. Anybody. Come on. Wave not received. Sorry, Pratmesh, I don't know what's going on. I'm waving. I just keep tapping at the wave and nothing's happening. Maybe you'll get one now. One more person joins and then we'll start. We have 4 viewers. Wow. Sometimes I wonder why I do this. NK95. Okay. Hey, you're a friend of Vijay Krishna. Rangnath. Okay. Awesome, man. Thanks for joining. Somebody sending me a request to join the video. NK9591. I don't know who you are. But okay, I will not accept anybody's request to join the video because it slices this video into 2, which kind of makes my framing go bad and you can't see the entirety of the exercise that I'm trying to show. Oh, okay. NK is Nischal. Hey, man. Capture speed joined. Okay, who's capture? Why can't we just put our own names? But capture speed gets a wave as well. So we have 5 viewers. We're going to start, right? We're going to start, right? Or do we want to wait? No? Okay, we shall continue. We shall start. Okay, so today's episode is special. I told you I am going to bring in props. Can you see the prop? It's a bucket. If you haven't read it already, the title of the video is How Abandoning the Washing Machine Saved My Cycling. So if you don't know already, when you're done with a long ride or any kind of ride, your Lycra, your bib shorts have to be washed by hand. I mean, you can wash them in the machine also, but ideally not mixed with different kinds of clothes. I have washed certain bib shorts in machine exclusively and nothing's gone bad, but some materials differ. But today's topic is not about washing bib shorts, but what I'm talking about is when you do end up washing bib shorts immediately after a ride by hand, you engage certain muscles that you don't otherwise. So me washing bib shorts more regularly in a bucket is kind of what saved my cycling, because cycling creates a lot of imbalance in muscles. We only tend to push with the front and very little pull or whatever else from the back. So this is what is doing all the work. This doesn't get any kind of attention at all, or even if it's getting very little. So so washing clothes in a bucket kind of helped me realize that this imbalance is happening, and also to an extent correct it. Now, I'm not recommending that this is the ultimate way to correct said imbalance, but this is one of the ways, and it's pretty simple. So what happens when you wash clothes in a bucket? Let's see if you can see the whole thing. Let me just increase the screen brightness so I can see my own face. Hey, much better. Okay, so bucket jersey. I'm not going to wash it. There's no water in it. I'm not going to put water here. So what happens when you wash something in a bucket? This is ideally not done like this. This will not help. If you're standing up and you put the whole thing in there and you're going to bend your back, you're going to hinge from here. The minute you hinge from here, try this yourself. This is going to fire up. This is going to fire up. The more you keep your knee straight, the more your hamstring is going to get activated, which in general is a very neglected muscle, cycling or otherwise. So the minute you go into this posture, engage your back a little bit, pull your glute muscle, pull your hamstring, straighten out your knee, and do this repeatedly. That's going to make your hamstring strong, or at least it's going to take care of the little bit of the imbalance that you're creating by over engaging whatever is in the front. So Lycra, save it, save yourselves also, save the Lycra by washing it in a bucket by hand, and that'll in turn also help you work your hamstrings and your glutes a little bit. So the ideal ultimate way to solve your back not getting engaged is a founder position, which is this, and a hinge and bunch of other complex moves that kind of follow that. Minimum here, without having to skip it at all. So this, washing your jersey like that, rinsing, staying in this posture, just keeping your back straight, engaging this by pulling it down, keeping your knees straight and engaging your hamstrings. That just this bend, this good morning, this bit will help you a lot in strengthening your hamstrings. See, ingenious way. Hey, Ravi joined us. Hey, Ravi. Abby joined us, waving to all of y'all. So think about it. If you have to wash your bib shorts anyway, why don't you just do it in a bucket and do it the way I told you, so that your hamstrings don't get completely neglected. So cool. No, I had props and all. Thanks a lot for joining, all 7 of you. My heart is so warm. Come on, you guys have to spread this out, to share this to people. This is awesome content. Nobody explains hamstring strengthening like this. Trust me, nobody does. I've checked. You guys have to share this. I am requesting you now. Promise is joined. So if you are a little late, we are done with the video. So that being said, conclusion one more time. Your hamstrings are very highly neglected when you are cycling. You need to correct it, you need to compensate for it, and one of the easiest way to correct for it is washing your bib shorts in a bucket instead of washing machine. Washing machine does other damages to your bib shorts as well, but that's not what we're here to talk about. We're here to talk about how you engage your back, right from your lower back to your glutes to your hamstring. Prathamesh has got a topic to say. Same thing could be done while cleaning the bike, bending over the top tube and cleaning crank. Yep, perfect, makes sense. But I don't know if you'll spend a lot of time during you doing something like that. But if you can spend a lot of time, consistent amount of time, then yeah, because with me rinsing is maths, so, or numbers, there's a lot of counting. So I have to dip it 10 times, ring it once, then dip it 10 times, ring it once, and then do that with 3 fresh buckets of water. So I have some kind of a math, number counting, duration, consistency kind of a thing going for me. But yeah, you can bend over the bike to clean the crank as well to do this. As long as you're keeping your back kind of safe instead of like curving it too much like that. So if you're curving it too much like that, then you're messing up your back in like other ways also. Just keep it engaged like that, keep it flat. As soon as you do that, you'll feel this and this getting fired up, and you're just bending from here. Each time you have to rinse the cloth, you're just bending from here. You're not bending the back like that. This will not do you enough good. You're like that, and from here, you're just bending the whole thing. Posture out and you'll know what I'm talking about. Yes, but Harshit has joined. What's up? Are you joining from Goa? I hope you're having fun. Yashwant has joined. Hey. So yeah, anyway, we have 9 viewers today. I don't know if it's like the all-time high or something. But anyway, thanks for joining. And remember what I said, nobody is talking cycle strengthening as curiously as I'm doing. So I would really appreciate if you guys could share this entire series or even just this video or whatever. And really hope you guys come back next Monday, 8:30. Sorry, 6:30, 18:30. Um, See you guys, and thanks for tuning in. Every time forget how to finish your life. Okay, there. Are you sure you went? Yeah.